Let's add new phone number to your Facebook account and makes it your default login method for all your Meta profiles and accounts. Here I will use my Facebook application. Then you have to tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Then either you can just tap on this little setting icon or just tap settings and privacy. Then you have to open settings. Here select the very first one, Meta account. If you don't see this feature, just update your Facebook application. Here I will show you two different methods. The first method you can tap on login and security, then you can just tap contact info. So I will go back to show you the second method. Here like this, you can just tap on your profiles and default login information. Then again select your email or phone number under default login info. Then just tap this blue color option, add or edit contact info. Now select add new contact info. Here you have to select add mobile number option. Then you will get this section. Here first you can select your country code. Then you can enter the rest of your mobile number. After that you have to verify it. So just tap the next button to go to next window. Here you have to enter the confirmation code. Facebook will send a one-time verification code via SMS. So you have to paste the code here like this. I will enter my verification code. Then just tap the next button. After verifying, you will get this notice. Your mobile number has been added. So this is how to add a new mobile number to your Facebook account. Then if you go back and check, you can see under contact info, now you can see your new mobile number. So if you want, you can set this mobile number as your default or primary login method for all your Facebook and other Meta accounts and devices. So this is how to do that thing. First you have to go back to your Meta account center like this. Here you can see your default login method can be your email or phone number. Just tap on it. From here under default settings you can see all your mobile and email addresses. Select the mobile number that you want. Then you can set this mobile number as your primary or default login method all of these Meta accounts. So this is how to add new mobile number and make it default login method. So if you want more update, you can find the updated tutorial link in the description or you can read this in the screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.